What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Lebron 20s All-Star. So let's check it out. You can see the material surface and design. Material pattern is totally different, totally wrong. There is a lot more line on the authentic, whereas on the fake one there is no line here. Another sample, as you can see, this one the material color is looking darker, and also the stitching here is a lot more stiff. And another sample, as you can see here on the marking area, there is no gap between the tip of the Nike shoes and the stitching here. So be like the authentic here, there is a little bit gap, and also the stitching is crooked, it's too narrow. And another sample again, you can see the stitching is crooked, stitching is also too short. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, I put a line on it so you can easily understand. So the line here on the upper and the bottom here is totally wrong, whereas it's on the same line, it's on the same direction, whereas on the fake one it has different direction. Another sample, as you can see, the stitching is crooked, it's too short and it's looking stiff. And also the line here, the direction on the bottom and the upper here is totally different. And also this one, the tip of the Nike shoes is touching the stitches, and also the stitching on the Nike shoes here is a little bit short and stiff. And this one also, another sample, is pretty clear. It has a wrong direction. It should be like the authentic, it has same direction. Moving from above here, as you can see, there's a horizontal line on the material surface, whereas on the fake one you cannot see the line here. And also this one, the XX embroidery is slightly to the right, isn't centered like the authentic here. Again, this one, between the 20 embroidery and the stitching here is too close, whereas on the authentic there is a little bit gap. And also this one, the word here is the letter here is slightly come up, and also it's smaller than the authentic one. And this one, the 20 letter is slightly to the left, isn't centered. There is a difference between the color here. This one is gray, this one is blue, and also there is no gap here like the authentic between the tongue here and the eyelets, the white eyelets here. There's no gap. And this one also, the line here is a little bit sloopy, it's not horizontal as the authentic one here. Another sample again, this one is slightly come up, it touched the stitching. Moving to the back of the shoes, and this one, the easiest part to spot the fake Lebron 20s, because it has a little bit sloopy line. And this one, there is no line here. This one on the authentic, there is a line. Take a closer look. As you can see, the line on the authentic is straight vertical, whereas on the fake one is a little bit sloopy, isn't vertical. Another sample again, you can see here, the line material isn't vertical, it's a little bit sloopy. And this one also, another sample, still same, always like this. And this one is pretty clear, very clear, it's pretty easy to spot. And the last one is the outsole. The signature isn't centered, it's slightly come up, it's slightly go down, it touched the outsole here. And another sample again, this one is slightly come up. Alright guys, that's my explanation, I hope you get it. And if you have any questions, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.